Today I'm going to tell you how to fix update error in Windows 11. If you're using Windows 11 in your PC or in your laptop and you're facing update error again and again whenever you try to update your Windows, so let's see how can you fix this issue. You just have to go to this search option here and just simply search for settings. And in settings, the very first thing you can try, you just have to go ahead to Windows Update section. And here you can pause your Windows update for a week. So simply click on this, pause for 1 week, and it will pause your updates. Once you have paused, you just have to resume your updates and it will recheck for updates. And it might help you to fix your issue. Or you can also check your network connection. You just have to make sure that your internet connection is not weak. You have a strongest and a stable network connection. After doing that, you just have to simply go ahead to your PC section or this PC, and here you have to make sure that you have almost 20 GB free in your local disk C. And your C disk, you have almost 20 GB free to download and install Windows Update. Or you can also try to update your disk drivers. You just have to simply go to search and search for device manager. And now in device manager, you have to look for disk drivers. And once you get, just expand it. And now you have to update both of these drivers. Just right click on anyone, then click on update driver, then click on search automatically for drivers, and it will update your driver just the same as above. And once you have done, just go back. Now you have to retry if it's fixed your issue or not. So your issue might have to be fixed, or if it's still not fixed your issue, so you can try to make a restart with your PC. So just click on this window button and then click on this power button here, then click on restart. And once your PC has been restarted, your issue will be fixed and you will not get the issue again. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.